Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making creamy mushroom tortellini. Now this tortellini makes an excellent side, or you can use it as your main course. You can top it with chicken, steak, pork, or for the vegetarians, you can just leave it as is and it's absolutely amazing. So let's check out what we need. Now for this recipe, we are going to need 6 ounces of dried tortellini. You can use any that you want. You can use fresh if you have them. 1.5 cups of heavy cream, 2 ounces of mushrooms. Today we're using portobellos. About a cup of Parmesan cheese and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Now for the tortellinis, if you're using dry, go ahead and follow the package on the instructions on how long to cook them. So let's get a pot of water going, and while those are cooking, we're gonna work on the sauce for it. Once the water comes to the boil, we're gonna go in with our tortellini. As the tortellini is boiling, we're gonna start our sauce. We're gonna melt some butter in our saucepan, go in with our mushrooms. We're gonna wanna saute these for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now in with our garlic, and cook this for about 30 seconds. Now we're going in with our heavy cream. Give this a stir. Gonna bring this back up to temp and add in the Parmesan cheese. Once the heavy cream and mushrooms come up to a simmer, we're gonna go in with our Parmesan cheese. A little bit at a time, get it well incorporated. This is also gonna thicken up the sauce. At this time, your pasta should be done, so go ahead and strain it. Just gonna cook this until it starts to thicken up. Then we're gonna go in with some salt, pepper, and once it starts to thicken, we're gonna toss in the pasta and coat it. Our sauce is just about where we want it. Now we're gonna take it and we're gonna add it right into the cooked tortellinis. We're gonna wanna give this about another minute or 2 just to have that sauce finish thickening up. Alright, and that's our creamy mushroom tortellini. Let's get a bite. Oh man, this is so good, you're gonna love it. The sauce is almost like a mushroom Alfredo sauce. It's real rich and decadent. The tortellini is perfectly cooked, it's al dente, and it's a big winner. It will go great with any dinner, like I said. If you like this recipe, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We got a lot of great recipes and a lot of good content coming up. If you like what we're doing here, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and we'll see you next time.